Oh, yo, that just surprised me so much. I could have cussed, I was so surprised. Wow. Just when I think that I have found the travel trailer that I would want to get for myself, I find not only this one, but there's even another Grand Design Imagine that is here at the Hershey RV show that is just so unique and so mind-blowing, I think I want it. They're giving me too many options. Let's go take a look. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. My name is Myles with Firmly Unbound, for those of you that are new here. And if you are not new, I am here at the Hershey, Pennsylvania RV show. And this is one of the biggest RV shows that happens in America. There are so many RVs here. I'm gonna go through this video a little quicker than I might normally just to get to other stuff that I wanna show you as well. But also keep in mind, in this video, this is a Grand Design product. And I work with McClains in Texas and Oklahoma. And if you are interested in this RV, you can text me at the number on the screen, and one of the locations out of Texas or Oklahoma can assist you with purchasing this RV. I truly believe if you go through McClains, you will get one of the best buying and ownership experiences with owning an RV that you could possibly ask for. So if you are interested in this RV and you are in the Texas or Oklahoma area, you can text me at the number on the screen. I would love to help get you connected to McClains, and they will definitely take care of you and give you a very memorable experience with not only purchasing your RV, but also owning your RV. So text me at the number on the screen if you are interested in this RV at any point in time during the video. Now, as we go through this is the Grand Design 24 BSE. This is a Grand Design Imagine, I should say, in their XLS series. So this is gonna be more of their lightweight series. And you've already seen the floor plan layout on the screen, unless for some reason it's not posted online yet and I wasn't able to find it. But it is just so mind-blowing what they did here, and it's so different. It's just unique and refreshing and feels inspired, and I love that. So we're gonna go through the outside real quick. A couple things. This is like a aluminum front cap here, I believe. So it's painted over, looks nice, and then it has two 20-pound propane bottles and battery spot there as well. Power tongue jack. Does have manual stabilizers, which that doesn't really bother me. If you've never used these before, or especially if you've never used these before with a drill, this will actually shoot up and down faster than an electric stabilizer when you connect a drill to this spot here. So literally can shoot that leg down in like 2 seconds. I'm not even exaggerating, it's that quick. So I don't mind that whatsoever. But if you are looking for electric stabilizers, you would have to upgrade that equipment on this travel trailer. You're gonna have your pass-through storage compartment here, and it's gonna be a little bit confined, but you will see why that is when we go inside. And it is an aluminum sided travel trailer with welds on both sides of the frame, and you will have, actually, let me just confirm that, make sure they didn't change nothing. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Wow. Only welded on one side of the frame. Why'd they do that? Oh, yo, that just surprised me so much. I could have cussed, I was so surprised. Wow, they only welded on one side of the frame. You know what's crazy? They are owned by Winnebago, and Winnebago does the same thing on their travel trailers. So I wonder if that's the Winnebago effect trickling down into Grand Design. Ooh, I have a feeling they are not gonna like me talking about this in the video, but I have to, that's what I'm here for. So only welding on one side of the frame connections and kind of cutting a corner there. I wonder if that's only in the XLS series or if we're gonna see that across the board on some of their other products as well. I am gonna be filming another Imagine over here that I'm very interested in also. So we'll take a look at that in that video, but I'm glad I looked at that because I made an assumption and I was dead wrong. Wow, okay, well, anyways, that was shocking. We're gonna keep going to the good stuff here, but I had to point that out because I noticed it. Wow, I'm still just shocked. Anyways, you have a nice big awning here. You can tell it's a big awning because it does have the support arm in the middle there. LED light strip underneath the awning there as well. And then you're gonna have two entry doors. It does have a nice wide stance on your tires here, and then it's gonna have a standard leaf spring suspension. And anytime you see these red drums on a travel trailer or fifth wheel, that is Lippert's new ABS system there. So that is going to be an anti-lock braking system that you will now have on your trailer. Absolutely love that. You're gonna have a fully enclosed underbelly. All your water tanks and water lines will sit above that enclosed underbelly, and your furnace will keep those from freezing. Have a propane quick connect line there as well. And you have a spot to store your sewer hose down underneath this end. As we go to the back real quick, you're going to have a ladder to get up onto the roof. You're gonna have your power supply here, and this actually is a 30 amp travel trailer, so 1 AC on this Grand Design Imagine. Have a Schwintek style slide mechanism on this side. You're gonna have what looks like a black and gray tank dump valve here off the rear. And then you're gonna have a tankless on-demand water heater, the Furrion tankless on-demand water heater. And then this looks like a gray tank dump valve there as well. So that'll be a gray tank dump valve, and that's gonna be just for the sink in the kitchen, I believe. Another Schwintek style slide mechanism on this Imagine here, or not on this Imagine, on this slide out here. Goodness, my words are just getting all jumbled. And then let's look at the exact specs. The unloaded vehicle weight rating on this is 6,068 pounds. Fully loaded is 6,995 pounds. So only has an 887 pound cargo carrying capacity. Not too crazy about that, but it's, you know, still manageable. I'm sure I can make it work. I think if I was getting this travel trailer, I wouldn't load up more than 800 pounds of cargo in here. That's quite a bit. So I think that should be adequate enough there. And then this is half-ton towable right at 7,000 pounds. With my 2023 Tundra that has the iForce Max powertrain, I definitely think I would be comfortable towing a travel trailer like this. So it is one that I am considering. It's definitely something that I would for sure see myself using, and I'm gonna show you why when we go inside. I really hope this impresses y'all as much as it impressed me, because this thing is just so dang unique. And again, keep in mind, as we go inside here, this is a 24 BSE. And if you are interested in this travel trailer, I have been working with McClains. A lot of y'all have seen my videos with McClains, and you can get this RV from McClains if you text me at the number on the screen. McClains has 5 different locations, 4 in Texas, 1 in Oklahoma. I chose to work with them because I sought out so many different dealerships and kind of interviewed them to figure out who I wanted to work with. And McClains, I felt like I could recommend you go to in good faith, knowing that they will give you the best possible service that you could ask for. And you have my word on that. So if you are interested in this RV and you are in Texas or Oklahoma, please text me at the number on the screen there, and I would love to help get you connected with McClains. Now, as we come inside here, first of all, gotta point out, all the Imagines have these new LED light beams across the ceiling. I love that. It looks really nice. Standing on my tiptoes, my head does not touch the ceiling, so this is probably about a 6'6", 6'7" ceiling height in here. And then look at this floor plan here. You have essentially almost a 3-cushion sofa directly across from your TV. That looks like it's probably about a 32-inch screen TV there. And then you have all this countertop space in the kitchen area. And this here, what I like about this so much is it's just an adequate size sofa where if I wanted to lay down on this, I can. So I like that it's like a 2.5 cushion sofa, I guess. But you can also flip this down to have an armrest, and both of these will recline and lay back. And they also have heat and massage. So that is definitely not super common in this class of travel trailer. Definitely a high-end set of furniture you're getting in this class of travel trailer. Back here, you have a U-shaped dinette table with a telescopic style table there. So U-shaped dinette table in the front portion of this travel trailer. Not very many options out there that do something like this. And then you have the tri-tone cabinets here, look really nice as well. And I know a lot of people don't like it, but I really think the cool white lighting looks so much more refreshing in here. I don't know why I like it so much, but I really do. And it does make a difference to me that they have that. So some people have their own opinions of it, but just know that is a cooler white light. And then these here are just a tad bit warmer than the puck lights are. And then you have a nice looking graphic design here as well. As we come back around this way, tons of floor space in here. I mean, it is just wide open. And then as we go through your kitchen space, you can see you have 3 pull-out drawers, pretty good sized pull-out drawers there. This is gonna be a stainless steel sink here. And I don't think there's really a whole lot of stuff on here that will be talked about that we would miss. 28 feet, 8 inches long, so that's the length on here. And then as we come down underneath your sink, you do have a little spot that you can put some spices and things like that. And then you have storage down underneath here as well. 4 more pull-out drawers next to this area. Those are all going to be the same size. And then outlet up underneath the cabinet there. Has a Furrion standard size travel trailer oven. Nice big storage space down underneath that. Gonna have a 3-burner stove. This little paper here is here to tell you that every single Grand Design RV goes through a pre-delivery inspection before it leaves the factory. So that is something that not all RV manufacturers do. But Grand Design is checking every single RV before it leaves the factory to make sure that it is built properly. You have a vent fan here, so that is going to be something that is venting out your smells while you're cooking. That pre-delivery inspection thing is pretty important as well. Standard size travel trailer, microwave, because that's a lot of money that they are investing into a team to do that, to make sure you get a better quality travel trailer the day you pick it up. So that is something that is pretty important. You have a Furrion 12-volt refrigerator. I'm not sure if y'all can hear the AC right now. It is a little noisy. It's not like I have to talk any louder to talk over it, but I'm curious if you can hear it on the mic. You also can open this up to dump air down into this space more quickly, which that you definitely might be able to hear, but then it is ducted, so you can close that to send the air through the ducting there. Next to your refrigerator, have some pantry space there, storage space there, and then storage space here. Now look at this, y'all. Like, what are they doing? What are they doing here? What in the world could possibly be going on here? Well, let me show you. Open this door and you have your bedroom in here, and gosh, it is just so bright in here. This is a queen size bed. This is in the slide out, so the bed is going to fold in half when you put the slide out in. But just such an interesting idea to put this bedroom in its own private space. I mean, you close this door and you're really, I mean, it's so private in here and just feels like such a good space. And you have windows all around there and a back window as well. So it just feels very comfortable. A great amount of airflow coming out of the vent here for the AC as well. So going to have no problem getting cool back in this area. You will be able to feel the air hitting you on the bed. The only thing that I'm looking at that I don't see, which wouldn't be a deal breaker for me because I don't even really need a TV when you have, you know, iPads and phones and whatnot, but no really spot for a TV here on the wall. But you do get a mirror, so you can wake up out of bed, turn your swag on, take a look in the mirror, say what's up. I hope I don't get like copyrighted for doing that. I think if I do it myself, it's not a problem, right? But hopefully y'all get the reference there. But you have that mirror there. Again, LED light beams in here as well, puck lights up here, and then you have some additional storage here as well. And wow, I just put my knee into this mattress. It's a little on the soft side, but really not bad for a travel trailer. Definitely better than most options out there. I don't even think I would need to upgrade something like that. Storage underneath the bed. Absolutely do have that there. So you got your storage underneath the bed. It is strut assisted, and this wood is even carpet lined there as well. So has a little extra layer of protection. Have some more storage here. I guess the one critique back in this bedroom, especially if you're wanting to like full time, is, I don't know who would want a full time out of this travel trailer, but you have a clothing rod there, so you could hang some clothes in here. That shelf does remove, but not a whole lot of clothes storage. So you'd probably be putting most of your clothes underneath your bed, unless you want to like roll up your socks and underwear and pants and stuff like that and put them back in that area. But that's maybe the one little critique. Even have these little kind of nightstands there. I guess not nightstands, but just little space to put a drink or a phone or whatever while you're sleeping. And then behind this door, this is a sliding farm style door. You have a magnet latch on that, and check this out. This is your bathroom, which this is just going to give you such a bigger bathroom space. And this is a couple style coach with a second entrance to the bathroom, so you can get directly to this on the road, nice and easy. I mean, look at all this floor space in here. This thing is like, it's probably like 8 to 10 feet long in this bathroom. It is so impressive what they've done here. An off-center toilet there, so that is going to give you plenty of room to be comfortable. You have all this storage space here. Shoot, I mean, if you just want to put your clothes in the bathroom, you could do that too. Even put a towel rod here on the sliding door so you can hang your towels there. You have a rectangular shower in here as well, so no radius shower. And it has this nice, I don't know what the technical material of this is, but it's a antimicrobial material there, and then it does have a squeegee on the other side. So when that closes, it'll just wipe all the water off. And then that keeps it lightweight for this travel trailer. Have another kind of coat hook spot here as well. And then in this shower, they use black fixtures. I was going to say appliances, and I always get in trouble in the YouTube comments for saying appliances when that's not an appliance, that's a fixture. Ceiling height in here, not great, probably about like 5'10" to right here or so. And then in the skylight, you probably have about to 6'4", 6'5". So a good amount of room in the skylight, but my head does easily hit the ceiling if I'm not in that skylight there. So not super big, but kind of par for the course for this size travel trailer. AC ducted back into this space here, so you get good airflow in here. It is nice and cool in here. And then look at the countertop space that you get in this bathroom. Storage there, and sink here, medicine cabinet. and storage down under here. Have a stainless steel sink, tankless on-demand water heater, power right here so you can control that from there. And then you do have a vent fan up above this space as well. So that is this new Grand Design Imagine floor plan. I'm very curious your thoughts on it and what you think. If you think it's a practical floor plan, if you absolutely hate it, what do you think? Let me know down below in the comments. And then if you haven't already, there will be a link down below in the description of this video where you can subscribe to my new YouTube channel, which is Firmly Unbound. That's the name of my company. And I'm gonna be making video content there as well that's gonna be different from what this is, but something you are definitely going to enjoy and going to wanna check out. So subscribe to that channel so you don't miss when videos start coming out there. And then if you are interested in this RV, again, you can text me at the number on the screen. I would love to personally help you out with purchasing this RV, get you connected with McClains, who has 5 different locations, 4 in Texas, 1 in Oklahoma, give you a great experience with finding your next RV. So you can text me at the number there. Look forward to helping you. And until next time, live firmly unbound.